Tired of that persistent Facebook top navigation bar stealing your focus? Let's dive into how you can reclaim your screen real estate and enjoy a cleaner Facebook experience. Our primary method involves a browser extension. The easiest way to find one is by opening your browser's extension store for Chrome users. This is the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Facebook Cleaner or Hide Facebook bar and hit enter. You'll see a variety of options. Look for an extension with good reviews and a reasonable number of users. I'll be demonstrating with one that effectively hides the top bar. Once you've found a suitable extension, click Add to Chrome or your browser's equivalent. A confirmation window will appear asking for permissions. Review them and then click Add Extension. You'll see the extensions icon appear in your toolbar, usually at the top right. Now, simply refresh your Facebook page. You should immediately notice the top navigation bar has disappeared, giving you a much more minimalist view. This allows you to focus entirely on your feed, messages, or whatever part of Facebook you're using, free from visual clutter. For those who prefer a bit more control or want to avoid extensions, a custom CSS approach is also possible, though it requires a little more technical know-how. This involves using browser developer tools to identify the specific code that creates the top bar and then applying your own custom CSS to hide it. You can find guides online detailing these specific code snippets. You would typically use a browser extension designed for custom CSS, like Stylus or similar, to apply these styles to Facebook. Experiment with different extensions or CSS methods to find what works best for your setup and enjoy a more focused Facebook browsing experience.